Hi everyone, my name is Yolanda. Welcome to another tutorial. Today I will be showing you how I do the drop flowers. Drop flowers are flat flowers that you can pipe either on top of your cake, or you can pipe them on a flower nail. I will teach you both ways today. Okay, to begin, we are going to need buttercream. Okay, for the base I'm using green with tip number 2D as in David, feed it to my pastry bag. For the center I'm going to be using tip number 3, also with buttercream. The buttercream that I'm using has a medium consistency because I wanted to keep the form, the shape of the petals. All right. Okay, so what we are going to do is, when we start piping this flower, we are going to pretend that we are piping it on a clock. Okay, this way. So your knuckles are going to start, when you start piping, they are going to be facing number 9. Okay, and then you are going to be turning until they face 12. All right, so you start on 9, 10, 11, 12. By the time you finish the motion, the entire motion, your knuckles should be lined up with the 12. Okay, so you're going to start 9, 10, 11, 12. Release the pressure on the bag, pull the tip away. Okay, so you're going to start 9, 10, 11, 12, release, pull. And then at that point, then you are going to fill with the number with number 3 and the color, the yellow color. All right, so remember, you must start knuckles facing 9 o'clock and then going up to the 12. That is if you are right-handed. If you are left-handed, then your knuckles will start facing the 3 and then just turning onto the 12. Okay, so let's get started. Get all your materials together, your buttercream, whatever icing you're going to use, and tip number 2D and number 3, and let's get started. Okay, so all right. So I'm going to start, of course, with facing my knuckles facing number 9. Very gentle. Okay. Release the pressure on my back and pull my tip away. Alright. Same thing with this one. Alright. You start. Pressure, pressure, pressure. Release and pull the tip away. There you go. Okay, at this point I'm going to clean my bag. You always have a rag, a clean rag around, so you could always clean your tip. Okay, because if you carry the same frosting over and over, it's going to pipe first on your decoration, and it's not going to look very appealing. It's not going to look good. So, okay, so again, 9 o'clock, slide, turn, release the pressure. You see how my fingers release the pressure on my bag? And then I just pull the tip. And there you go. Okay, let's do the rest. 9 o'clock. And I tell you, not two flowers are the same. Because it depends on how much pressure you put when you piped. Okay, look. Alright, so now to finish them up, I'm just going to pipe a dot, burying my tip and shaving it off to the side because I don't want to make a peak. Just shave it off to the side, release, shave up, release, release, shave, and that's it. Okay, it's going to be like this. You're going to bury your tip, you're going to release the pressure and shave it to the side. You don't want to do this. That does not look too good. Okay, and if it comes out like that, just take a little dip your fingers in cornstarch, right, and just flatten it. All right, so now that we learned how to pipe the drop flour on the surface, now we are going to pipe it on a nail. Okay, of course, this is like if you have royal icing, and actually I'm putting a link on how to make royal icing. You can pipe a whole bunch of these drop flowers and store them and use them for a later date. Okay, so the same basic thing. Release the pressure, pull the tip away, and there is your flower. Then I'm gonna bury my tip, release the pressure, and shave it off. Look how beautiful. Alright, these make beautiful decorations as a border or as a flower. You know, when you have a flower arrangement, you could fill in some gaps with these flowers. Okay, and and then what you do is you remove it from the nail. Okay, and then let it dry. Then once it's dried, you have to remove the paper from the flower, not the flower from the paper, because that usually causes breakage. What you need to do, very gently, you start peeling the paper from the flower. That is if you are using royal icing. Okay, all right, so I hope that you learned something today. This is all for today. Please share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week. Bye bye.